What did that imply from a score versus percentile perspective? Let's have a look at it. If I'm looking at it from the perspective of the entirety of score versus percentile, I want you to focus on two things. Okay, I want you to focus on two things. Number one, focus on this. 70 percentiles, my friend. 70 percentile. Okay, 70 percentile was only at a score of 36 over the last 2 years. Now, all of you all who are preparing for the very first time, if I turn around and I tell you 2-hour exam, 40 minutes per section, in each section go ahead and attempt only 3 to 4 questions. If I just tell you without preparation 40 minutes में 3-4 question करने हैं, do you have the confidence that in 40 minutes 3 to 4 questions you'll be able to solve? Yes or no? Just 3 to 4 questions in 40 minutes, which means 12 questions in the entire paper in 2 hours. Do you have that much confidence? I am confident enough for all of you all that all of you all will have confidence. If I tell you 40 minutes में 3 to 4 questions, nothing more than that, will you have the confidence, yes or no? Pragati, okay, no problem if you're weak in maths. 40 minutes में 3-4 questions, yes or no? I'm telling you 10 to 12 minutes per question. If I ask you, today I'm giving you the CAT paper, 3 to 4 questions every 40 minutes. कर पाओगे कि नहीं? यार, I am telling you, I am confident. Mayank is saying, Avni is saying. What about the others? I want to hear from Mo. I am quite sure all of you all are confident enough that you'll be able to do this. Neha, Lijo, Avni, Mayank. What about the others? I am 100% sure that if we pick up the actual CAT 2021 paper, give it to all of you all right now, say you haven't had a look at it, and I tell you every 40 minutes, just solve 3 to 4 questions, you will be able to. That means, even without preparation, guys, even without preparation, all of you all are at 70 percentile. You are better than 70% of the people writing the exam. Now 8 months mein, it is about going from 70 to 99. So the challenge is not 0 to 99. Challenge is 70 to 99. Does that give you a little bit of confidence? Does that give you a little bit of confidence? कि यार ये तो सही बोल रहा है. Without thinking anything, if I become Virat Kohli, now everybody knows who Virat Kohli is. Do you know in ODIs, his average while chasing, when you're going ahead and a target is set and you have to chase, his average is 70 plus. But while batting first, his average falls down. Late 40s, early 50s. Why? Because while chasing, he knows the score that he needs to chase. That is exactly what you all need to do. I am telling you today. मैं आज लिख के, I'll sign it on a blank piece of paper and I'll tell you. Okay? I will sign it on a blank piece of paper and I'll tell you. In every section in CAT, if it's a 2-hour paper, just solve 4 to 5 questions, get all of them right. If you solve 5 each, which means 5 into 3, 15 questions. That will mean 45 marks because it's plus 3. You would have even scored an 80 percentile. Just imagine! 80 percentile ho jata. 5 questions in each section. I am telling you, you all do not realize you are already studs, yaar. You are already studs. Pressure bahut lete ho. Society comes and tells us CAT is difficult. We talk to seniors, they say, you know, I study 20 hours a day. You talk to somebody else, he comes out and says, I did not study at all and I scored 99. Stop talking to people. Stop talking to people. Andar dekho. You are all very, very capable and you will crack it. So without even looking at anything, I can tell you 80 percentile means 5 questions in 40 minutes. If you are able to solve 4 to 5 questions in 40 minutes in each section, you are better than 80% of the people writing CAT. ठीक है? Pooja 70 percentile तो आज हो जाओगे ना? Pooja. So Pooja is saying, but 70 percentile से top B school मिलेगा. Which means, will I get a top B school from 70 percentile? Are you looking at a top B school today, Pooja, or are you looking at a top B school 7 months down the line after the November exam? I am saying as of today you can get 70. As of today. So in 7 months, can you go from 70 to a 90 or a 95 or not? Can you go from a 70 to a 99, 99.5, 99.9 or not? That is the question. You are already on the path for a top B school. Rasta shuru ho gaya hai. Will you go ahead and get there or not is dependent upon the next 7 to 8 months. Am I clear? Am I clear? Getting confident, feeling that we can do it, we can crack it. Yes, this exam is for us because it is for each and every one of you. Forget this part. Forget this part. I'll come back and talk about this part again 3 months down the line. Okay? 3 months ke baad, we will talk about 90 plus. As of today, we are sitting here in March. I want you to focus on March, April, May and June. 4 months. 3.5 to 4 months. Talk about 70 to 90 percentile. Matlab, ab dekho. Now what is it I'm stating? What is it I'm stating? As of today, you feel you can attempt 4 questions per section, which means 12 questions overall, and score 36, which is 70 percentile. Now 90 percentile is 59. 59 is more or less, if I divide it by 3, 20 questions, yes or no? 59 is 20 questions when I divide it by 3, right? Because so 20 questions you need to get right. Now 20 questions in the entire paper. 20 questions in the entire paper. The paper has 3 sections divided by 3. That means 6 to 7 questions per section. So now the question to you is, if you are already sitting here at about 4 questions, per section, can you go from 4 questions per section to 6 to 7 questions per section in a matter of 3.5 to 4 months? That means over the course of the next 105 to 110 days, can you just start attempting and getting 2 more questions right per section? Are you understanding the goal I'm giving you? As of today, without preparation, you are saying I can get 4 questions right per section. I am saying preparation ke saath, with a little bit more preparation, over the course of the next 3.5 months, can you go from 4 questions per section to 6 to 7 questions? Can you or can't you? If I tell you over the next 100 to 105 days, join us. We are in a program. We'll meet you thrice a week, 4 times a week. We'll have sessions. We'll give you recorded sessions. We'll give you mocks. We'll give you topic tests. We'll give you sectional tests. We'll give you a study plan. We'll tell you which topics to focus on. 4 से 6 पहुंचेंगे कि नहीं? 4 to 6, 2 questions more per section in 105 days. That means all of y'all have the capability of being around 90 percentile, even before the CAT notification is out. Remember, CAT notification will come out in July. I just gave you a goal till June. That means even before the notification, all of you all are going to have collar up. Hey, I'm a stud, yeah. I'm already at a 90 percentile. Why? Because I knew which were the topics to focus on. Clear? Motivated? Sounds like it's doable. Yes or no, guys? Somebody is asking CMAT and CAT syllabus similar. Syllabus more or less similar in quant and verbal. Reasoning is difficult, and there is a different section called innovation and entrepreneurship in CMAT which doesn't come in CAT. Are we confident? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? I will talk about a very specific strategy that you will need to follow. In 3 months, can we go from 4 questions per section to 6 to 7 questions per section? Yes or no? That's all. Aur kuch nahi karna. And the program that we will have here at Byju's Exam Prep focuses on just that. We will only pick up those kind of topics. So how's the Josh? I hear Gaurang saying hi, Josh. Once again, how's the Josh? So Ishita is saying, so basically we target 90 percentile till June. I will rephrase that. I will say target it score wise. So till June, target a score of in and around 60. Which means look at a score of in and around 15 to 20 per section. High. Okay, I like to hear this. The Josh is high, right? Great. So I am telling you the target is 15 to 20 marks per section. Don't look at the target as percentile. Are we clear? Makes sense, right? Let's look at marks. Percentile ho jayega. Percentile will take care of itself. In our hand is marks. We will focus on marks. 15 to 20 marks. 15 marks means 5 questions. 20 marks means 6 to 7 questions, about 7. So we will try ranging between 5 to 7 questions, attempting and getting all correct till June. Clear? Cool.